What's up everyone? So for today's video, si Cliff is naana diri sa Papa's house. So si Cliff kay nag-change address na pod. So mauna si Cliff kami NPA give me always no permanent address. So from my mother's house, from my house, mother's house to Papa's house. There, Papa. Papa is sleeping and Cliff right now is eating the phone. No! No, baby. What can you say, baby, that you're here now? What can you say that you're here now? It's uminaw na? It's uminaw? No babies? No babies and kids to play? Only phone and chickens and mimings? You only have chickens and mimings to play with? Ito nga na. I know! 30! 30! Redcliffe! Redcliffe! Redcliffe, are you okay? Ang baby kay gisipon. Uy, kaayo ang baby gisipon. Oh! Oh no! Redcliffe! Ay! Up! Red! Oh, ano mo? You're angry na. Ay! Oh! Oh! Ano naman? Redcliffe? Huh? Asa man? Ano mo? Right. Wanaan ni Therese sa gawa. So, mauni ang gawas ng new place to see. Ano na, babe? Cliff only has Kit Kats, chickens, and play. That's all. No babies. Just us. Kasi palo, baby. Baby? Just us? No kids to play? No? No? No. No, he's looking at the chicken.
So, since Cliff used to have Duyan, Dave created a Duyan. So, he climbed up to the roof to create Duyan. And there's Cliff sleeping with the blanket around his body. So, we put the rope at the roof to create the Duyan. That's why. So right now we are still fixing our things. This is gonna be the area that we're gonna be staying. So here is Cliff. He's covering his face. This is actually how Cliff usually sleeps. He covers his face with his blanket. He really loves his blanket a lot. Like he wants to bring it anywhere he goes. In sleeping, eating, going around, walking.